CAF is a world leader in implementing integrated transport systems. CAF designs, manufactures, and maintains all types of rolling stock. High-speed trains. High-speed rail systems are crucial to the competitiveness of many countries today, offering passengers competitive journey times and prices. CAF's commitment to R&D and innovation has contributed to the development of its range of very high-speed ORS trains capable of reaching 350 km per hour. Built using highly reliable proprietary technology, this range of distributed traction trains is equipped with the latest advances in eco-design, safety, and passenger comfort. CAF boasts an extensive track record in supplying and maintaining high-speed trains. The company has supplied Series 120 and 121 trains fitted with variable gauge Brava bogies to Spanish rail operator Renfe, and the first high-speed trains for Turkey running between Ankara and Istanbul. Regional and commuter trains. CAF also manufactures regional and commuter diesel and electric trains. Our single and double-decker trains offer operators the ability to carry high numbers of people and provide excellent passenger comfort. As well as first and standard class seating, these regional trains also have restaurant carriages, vending areas, children's zones, and bicycle storage. CAF offers the Civity solution, a low-floor modular train for regional and commuter services. These trains come in an extensive range of designs with a raft of features and are also conceived for ease of access by persons with reduced mobility. The carriages have wide aisles so that passengers can move safely through the train, along with areas reserved for wheelchairs and fitted with disabled toilets. CAF has supplied trains for regional and commuter services in countries such as Brazil, New Zealand, Mexico, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Italy, Turkey, and the United Kingdom. Metros. An increasing number of cities use CAF rolling stock on their metro systems, including Madrid, Barcelona, Rome, Brussels, Sao Paulo, and Santiago de Chile. Our product range includes units with pneumatic tire and steel wheel sets, as well as metros with the highest levels of automation. These trains therefore do not have a driver's cab and are fully automatic. TRAMS. As part of CAF's sustainable urban transport drive, it has become a leader in tram technology thanks to its Urbos platform. This range of low-floor trams boasts a modern, futuristic design, contributing to enriching and modernizing the image of the city through which they run and giving it its own personality. Our trams can be fitted with GreenTech free drive technology to operate without catenary. This reduces the visual impact of the tram in the city centre by eliminating the need for overhead cables. This innovative solution is in service in cities such as Seville, Zaragoza, and Kaohsiung in Taiwan. Locomotives. CAF offers passenger and goods transport operators its BITRAC line, a range of electric and diesel-electric locomotives that can operate in extreme conditions. One of the major advantages of BITRAC is that it employs specific technology to enable locomotives to be fully operable on tracks with different gauges, signalling systems, and electrical power supplies. CAF boasts an extensive range of rolling stock, all of which is environmentally friendly and capable of meeting the highest standards of passenger comfort. Our presence in over 30 countries around the world endorses this capability to innovate and tailor our offering to the specific needs of our customers. CAF, Comprehensive Rail Solutions.